Idefine has done it again with another beautiful wear and go wig. When I tell you this wig was super easy to install, and I'm so excited to show it to you all. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this glueless wig from Idefine. Once again, Idefine has come through with an amazing wear and go wig once again. So they reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. And guys, I am obsessed. She's giving grown and sexy. All of their wigs are so easy to apply and completely glueless. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we got another Idefine wig here. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. So we're just gonna go ahead and unbox this. We got some nice little FedEx packaging, but let's see what this wig is giving. All of their wigs are just so easy to install, super duper easy to wear. So I love that about Idefine. If you are not a wig wearer, but you want to just kind of have something in between styles here and there, Idefine is that girl for you. Their wigs are super affordable, easy to install, and they're actually a nice quality. They have some super cute styles. So here is the box. It says Idefine 100% virgin hair. At this point, you guys already know the vibe. We love some Idefine. So here's the wig. We're gonna put this to the side and let me show you what's in the box again. So inside of the box, you get two wig caps. You get a lighter wig cap and a darker wig cap. So this just depends on how you like to wear your hair or how you like your hair to look. So this can kind of change the scalp color of your wig. I think I usually like to go with the lighter color because, you know, a lot of scalps are a little lighter. So yeah, but you know, this one is really good too. So bam, you got two wig caps. That's fantastic. And then it also gives you this pamphlet of how to care for the wig, what wig you have, and their return policy or exchange policy, all of that fun stuff. But let's go ahead and get into this wig. So bam, here it is. Open her up, see what she looks like. Okay, yes. These are for my modest queens. I love all of their wigs. Okay, so here it is. She is pretty curly. It is, all of their wigs are also usually already styled, so you don't have to do anything to these wigs. Like, you got some nice tighter curls here. Like, look at that, bam, they're super bouncy. And here is the front of the wig. So it does have almost like that C part already in it, which is really cute. Let's take it off the paper and see what it actually looks like on the inside so we can really judge this wig. So their wigs are also wigs you wear glueless. So you are not going to need to add even spray, no kind of spray, glue, or tape or anything like that to their wigs. Like, this is their wear and go wig, at least. So this is how much parting space you get. That's a lot of parting space. So this is enough parting space to where you can do a middle part if you want to do a middle part, a side part, what have you. So yeah, that's a goodie. And here is the elastic band, so you can make sure the wig is nice and secure, whether you have a smaller head or a bigger head. So that's fantastic. 10 out of 10 right there. So we are going to go ahead and get into the install of this wig, which really should just be slapping this wig on. So let's go ahead and see what she gives. Let's do it. Okay, I like the curly bob. Let's actually make this part pop. So I do like to do a little bit of styling. Sometimes you gotta do a little tweaking so it just gives what you want it to give. But you know, you see the vision. It's a cute, sexy bob. Okay, so I'm just gonna tweak this part to make the part really pop right here. So we can get this bang looking how we want the bang to actually look. But as you can see, you have the cute little C part, which is really fire. And then we'll bring this part down and maybe create like a little baby hair over here too, which would be very cute. So bam. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit of mousse to the top so we can mold this hair and have it looking the way we want it to look. So y'all can see the vision. Right now y'all are like, Britt, what are you doing? But y'all are gonna see the vision. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the part to make the part just pop, pop, pop. This is why I also like to use the lighter wig cap, because the part is already popping because the color you put underneath the wig cap is so bright. So I'm going to make this our little baby hair. So I'm just gonna cut this little piece here too. With the baby hairs, let's see. Okay, bam, now she's coming together. Now she's coming together. Let me like slick this part down a little more right here. Now it looks cute. Now I'm just gonna kind of re-curl some of this so it can just give. We want the curls to give a little more, but this is a very cute bob. I like it. Okay guys, we're just popping curls in this really quickly, really quick curls, because it still has the curls that were previously in this wig and it still looks good. Bam. So nothing too crazy, nothing too tight. Let me curl this piece right here. This piece is looking like a little loose. Bam, she's looking very cutesy. I feel like this is such like a mature look. Like, I love it. I feel like Idefine has some really beautiful, grown and sexy wigs, you guys. Like, this is really cute. Let's kind of, ooh, play with the bang a little bit. Like, yes, I'm obsessed. That install was super fast, and it is 100% glueless, you guys. I don't want to mess up my baby hair over here, but it is glueless. So, definitely check out this wig from Idefine. I'm going to link it in the description box. Thank you all so much for joining. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.